Last time I was here and they told me I couldn't record, they came out looking for me. The plate number is, looks like COV 7221. Yeah, that's like security for the federal building. So they're the ones that don't want you bringing evidence about cybercrime and public corruption into a federal building. And let's submit through email. Right now I'm gonna call up, see, we'll call up the boss over here. So they wanted me to put my phone in my car last time, and then they came to search my car because they thought I was already back in the building, but I was here. I was parked right where that white Allied Universal car was. Private contractors outsourcing the car rides. So I looked on their website. I don't have a camera on my phone anymore. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna call up Ryan K. Butch Annan. Ryan K. Butch Annan. Okay, U.S. Attorney General. Let's get his phone number. I already have an appointment for this afternoon. His phone number is 404-581-6000. The dog that I registered through the TSA, Federal Service Dog. Working for medical security reasons. Dropped. You heard that? Let's try it again. Well, it says, is this another number? Paste. U.S. Attorney General. Third time? No. Not gonna let me. Again. Should be able to make phone calls with my Wi-Fi on to live stream. I guess they're not gonna let me. Because I can't audio record my screen recordings when I'm on the phone. I used to be able to, but I can't anymore. Wow. U.S. Attorney, this is Ryan K. Buchanan. Just hangs up on him, huh? Is that the right number? That's where I am. Is that Allied University with a non-disclosure ISMR catcher? That's the right number. Let's see. Maybe I'm not putting one. That's strange. This is exactly what happens to me when I call 911. I need that, or I want to call the sheriff, or on the ATF or FBI, whoever it was, blocking my calls. Exact same thing. How it's gonna call. people. Alright. Wow, 5G in Atlanta is really slow. I don't have, but why wouldn't I have? Oh, I have no phone service now? Why? Mobile data's on, not in airplane mode. How do I lose phone service? That's strange. I'm trying to call the Attorney General. So this is more cyber evidence that I want to bring into the Attorney General. Let's see if they'll let me bring my devices. Because now the third-party contractor was just outside, and I can't make phone calls anymore. This also happened to me when the Secret Service came to visit, and I tweeted Brian Kemp. Happened outside the judge in Nassau County Traffic and Parking. It happened to my video when Nassau County Police Department was attacking me. It happened at Paragon Security twice. Oh, what? We're getting 5G back? Oh, there it goes. Look at that. Secret warrants for private companies, huh? Let's try and call. Oh, now it's going through. Now we got it.
U.S. Attorney's Office.
Hi, how are you?
Yes, how may I help you?
I was just reading your website, and I want to come into the building. I have an appointment. My name's Kyle Walsh.
Schedule an appointment. One moment.
I did.
Civil Rights Hotline is not available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone. Press the pound key to end recording.
Hi, I'm coming in to drop off my digital cyber evidence, and I just want to make sure you guys know I'm coming in today with the evidence, and I don't want to leave with a third party because that's how this happened. I was referred to you by the Attorney General, local police, and I've been assaulted, and people have tried to beat me up and stuff like that. My phone calls aren't go through, emails, text. I have a substantiated report with New York City Internal Affairs about cyber terrorism that an officer committed, and then there was more fraud inside the Internal Affairs report. I have some fraud with local police departments and racketeering charges in Georgia. So I just want to let you know I'm coming in for my appointment that I made a few days ago. I have all the evidence with me about the appointment, and all my evidence in my bag there, and my medical service dog, federal medical service dog, for safety reasons. Thank you. Bye.